Hi everyone, I just want to come on real quick. I'm going to be doing a review for Tufayel Ahmed. He has been helping me out a lot lately on my channel. I have seen a lot of growth and a lot more views on my channel, a lot more subscriber count, and I've been getting a little bit more income coming in from my channel. He has helped out with picking certain titles that'll rank higher for my videos. He has helped me out with the tags and everything, hashtags and everything that needs to go in my videos. He has helped me out so much. I highly recommend him. If you guys are interested in any of his work, you can go check him out. I will leave some of his stuff down below. But otherwise, yeah, I just wanted to come on, share a little bit with you guys, and hopefully you guys can check him out, have him help you out grow on your channel, and see how that all goes, because I have had a lot of problems with ranking higher on YouTube. So with his help, I have gotten a lot more chances for my videos to be #1 on YouTube.